How to hide your posts on Instagram. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. But before I begin, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, let's begin with the video. So hiding your posts on Instagram is not the same as deleting your post. You have to know that there is a difference. Deleting a post means that you will not be able to recover or maybe even see the post ever again. So it's kind of risky, and therefore I advise you to always hide your posts if you want them to be removed or you want them not to be viewed by someone else who is currently viewing or scanning your profile. Well, let me show you exactly how it's done. So let's say I want to hide this post of mine. All I have to do is click on the three dots that are on the top right corner and click on archive. And once I do that, none of me, other people other than me, no one else other than me will be able to see the post or even interact with it, which is quite neat in my opinion. And the fact that I can retrieve it just by clicking on the three bars on the top right corner, which is the menu option. All I have to do is go to your archive, and over here you can see in the post section, these are the stories. I can go to the posts archive, and over here you can see I have archived all these posts that I've uploaded in the past. Let's say I want to unarchive this. All I have to do is click on show on profile. That's it. The post is recovered, and all the comments, the interactions that have been done with the post will also stay intact, which is the best thing in my opinion. So in case you want to personally delete some photo, you can always do that, which is click on the three dots and click on delete, but you will not be able to restore them once the 30-day restoration period crosses. So keep that in mind before you do anything of that sort. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment down below on what next video we should make, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.